In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by launching one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view in the background. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner, select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both of them at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!